Yo, 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 what is up, you guys? It's your boy, all see. No, I'm just kidding. What is up, I got your browser here. Back with another video.
Did you even see yourself?
Yeah, hope you guys are having a beautiful day as always. Today we are gonna hit up a little cruise with this little org that I joined, little group. We're gonna go on a cruise, but right now we're gonna go to the meetup spot. I'm taking the homies because it was open to the public. So yeah, we're gonna head there and I'll pick up the vlog once we get there. All right, guys, we pulled up to the meet. We parked way back here from where everyone else is at. But yeah, we're here. The BC boys parked somewhere up there. We'll see. We'll see. Hey. Yeah, we're here. Hey, why'd you guys fall back?
Yeah, we're cruising. Y'all go to flying.
I was just trying to keep up with the BCs.
I kept under 100 bucks. I'm not getting my license suspended.
You're not gonna get it suspended, way.
I mean, I'll still fight it, but still. Oh, look at 5 minutes.
He's taking me around. My bodyguard. He's showing me around.
That's not Cyber Greyhound, it's different gray.
Yeah, that's a different gray. Look, I got another C6 here. Dang, carbon front splitter. Another bike. Full carbon. Mark 5 on TEs with the same logo, Topspot. Carbon. This is badass.
Restricted, no fat chicks.
Damn. No fat chicks, bro. No fat chicks. No torta. Can't take them nowhere, bro. Another Mark 5, and then we got the homies R8 right here. Like, you can finally see the actual color. Oh wait, I'm not gonna post a video. Beamer. Dang. Fucking wheels are shiny on that shit. Sheesh. That shit's well taken care of. Another Beamer. Is this the one we saw earlier? No, right? Oh yeah, it is. Sick ass wrap. Shiny ass wheels right there and right there. Brown Mark 5. Yeah, that shit is nice. Green Mustang. Damn, this is all leaving me behind. Alright, guys, we took a little break. Went to the bathroom because I had to take a piss really, really bad. But I know this time it was me. It usually hurt, but we're back underground. It's 6:30. We're supposed to be heading out around this time. We'll see what time we actually head out. 6:31, and everyone's still standing around. We'll see. Shit, look what we have here. Carbon hood, carbon fender on a GTR. Damn, this thing is sick. This thing is that age, bro. R35. Let me find out the trunk. It's carbon as well, bro. Yep. This thing is badass. Probably. Hey, what do you have to say for the vlog, way?
Subscribe, motherfuckers.
To odd enough, or
Subscribe to all of them.
bro, you can hear that damn blower from all the way over here. I wonder if my mic's capturing that. Oh my god. You guys hear that?
Yeah.
That just smells nasty. Look at this shit, bro. Big ass Gary. Damn. Fucking. Damn, I was awesome then. Man, that was a whole crowd around this pony. Everyone's checking it out. We're still here. What time is it? So, someone give me time? Someone give me time? 6:42, and we're still here, brother. We should have taken off 10 minutes ago. Dang, look, I thought I was missing a headlight. A la verga. G80 on a tire. On 4Gs. 4Gs in the back. Another G80. Damn, I wouldn't park there if I were you, brother. That shit's leaking over there. All right, you guys, we kind of ditched the damn like route. Oh, you heard me? I was singing like a maniac right now. But we're here putting corn. I ditched the meat. We're like 7 minutes away now from the meetup spot. But we are gonna go back right now, and then we'll see if everyone's still there. If not, we'll catch up to them on the freeway. Yeah. All right, you guys, we made it. We got some cars parked over here, but the main like spot is right over here at the Shell. That thing is packed. I would not fit there. Hell no, my ass would be sticking out, and I'd probably get smacked. I'm chilling over here. Shit, you guys, had to book it across the street, but I came to the actual spot. Look at this shit. Everyone's car's over here. Oh shit, I'm zooming in. My bad. Damn, this thing's badass. R8, Mark 5, S650. Sheesh. Oh shit. Damn. Fucking Labubu in there. I need a fit for my Labubu. Fuck it, we're leaving, I guess. Damn, that shit sounds clean as fuck, bro. I love the blue. Well, we're gonna head out. All right, chat, we are here at the third location. We kind of fucked up, you know. This is like the second mess up. I didn't get to record any of the first ones because we were the last ones out. And then on the way here, I kind of messed up. I took the wrong freeways. I took like 2 wrong freeways. It took me longer than it should have to get here. But the homies, they got here way before me. We are here with them. We got Willie's BC right here. Freaking Arusha. Pulled up.
The big SUVs.
Damn, all the big body SUVs pulled up. What the fuck? Look at this.
No cops, I'm surprised, no cops.
I know, huh? I'm surprised. Oh my god. Man, this is badass too. Oh, I love how both of them have the single exit on this side. That shit is loud. Let's go. Damn, HR Beamer? Yeah, I feel like this was a pretty successful meet, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. He said it's their first meet, like first cruise. That shit's sick. It's like calm, like no cops have showed up to either. I don't know if CHP counts on that last one. No, not really, huh?
Well, they just like drove by.
He drove by it, and he was upset, yeah. He made a joke. He said that, why didn't we invite him? Are we gonna have to walk that damn drive-thru? And we completely shut this gas station down. Not in the sense of like a bad way, it's just, you know, we're just here. People are feeling up. I really like the color on this Beamer right here. That's just badass. Another Beamer. Another Beamer. Another one, another one, another one. There's so many Beamers here. You're doing what?
Manifesting.
Every F82 she sees, she takes a picture of it. Manifesting. One day.
Now she has me like second guessing.
Why, between the 330?
He has a 340.
340. Oh shit, he does, huh? Bro, I feel like we're taking over this fucking gas station. Too bad, bro. Way too bad. Bro, I like the color on this shit. It like changes. It's like color shifting. Oh, tow truck's here for me. I'm parked where I'm not supposed to. Damn. Look at that. They're blocking them. I'm pretty sure he's just trying to get diesel. That's cold.
Diesel?
Yeah.
Our car is diesel?
Yeah, it's right there. It's the first one. Dang, he's out. He's gonna back into that car right there. Well, that car better back up. That car doesn't want to back up.
No, he did.
There you go,
Backed
no.
up or gets.
Bro, I love this Supra. That's probably my favorite one. Oh, hell no. That's time to leave.
He has like a white
Fit.
steering wheel.
He does?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. Damn. I need a custom steering wheel for mine. Oh, God. Alright, Alright, you guys, we left. We left that other spot. We are going to the next and final spot, which is a food stop. That's how it always is with these meets. But yeah, we're heading there now. I'll see if I can get any rollers or clips of the cars that are right here driving. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it, parked right here at Mark 5, and already everyone else is rolling in. I don't know how the hell I managed to catch up, but yeah. That one Mark 5 was spitting flames like me. I don't know who he is. That shit was sick though. Like,
a whole bunch of Supras, I have no idea which one it was.
Oh yeah, seeing someone else spit flames like me is crazy. It was badass. Alright you guys, we dipped from Canes. Neither of us were really feeling Canes, and the meet was pretty much over, like the whole gathering. So we're going home right now, and then we're gonna get something to eat, and yeah, just pretty much just wrap up this beautiful, nice Sunday. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I forgot this is my first video back from since last year. Damn.
Play that one time, like.
Damn, I haven't recorded a video in a year.
Girl,
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Like 2 weeks ago.
Just kidding. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.